this time they've given us the diagram and we're going to make the congruent statement. So of course we're talking about a triangle, so I'm putting the triangle symbol. With the first triangle, I can write the letters any order I want. I'm going to write this VTU. VTU. It's congruent to this other triangle here. I can tell because it's got all these matching markings, right? But the thing is, I've got to write them in the right order. So first thing I got to do is find which one is marked congruent to V. That's the one that's got to correspond to it. See how there's 2 marks here on V? Well, there's 2 marks here on I also. That means that I and V are congruent to each other. So the first angle I'm going to write here is I, because I and V are congruent. Then let's look at T. See how T has 1 mark on it? Well, H has 1 mark on it, so I'm going to write H next. And then the last one, U. Oh, look, U and U, right? So there we go. Now that's actually all the information I needed. But notice that we can also tell this from the line segments. See how VU has 2 marks on it? That's the first and the third, right? The letters are the first and the third. Well, what are the first and the third here? I and U. And V and U and I and U. See how this has the same mark as this? There you go. This one is actually a rotation of about, I don't know, some amount of degrees to get this down like that. That's actually how those are congruent. It's always true if the 2 triangles are congruent, there's some set of transformations that you could get so one would lie exactly on the other. Anyway, we didn't have to look at line segments. We could. Each pair that I looked at would always work, but just from the angles here, that was enough.